Hello, fifth grade students. We are back again with our classes with our book Eyes Open, number 4, Presentation Plus. Now, now we are going to continue with our classes. Young Achievers, no? This is our unit. And now we're going to check something about this topic with some vocabulary, no? A reading profile about Beatriz Muñoz. We saw language focus about be going to and the present tense for the future. We read or we listened about a discussion. Okay. We did language focus number 2, predictions with be going to, will, may, might, and also the future continuous. No? For this activity, we are going to work this page 38, making decisions. This is an skip form. So the idea is to speak. No? If you speak in this activity, that could be awesome. If you don't, that could be terrible. Now let's see. Real talk. Are you saving up for something special? What? Well, here it says, watch or listen to the teenagers complete the sentences with what each person is saving up for. No, saving up. Concert for her or a guitar, a second hand if his parents agree, saving up for in 2 years, and travel or an with his friends' family. So, the first activity is to watch video. No? Watch or listen to the teenagers complete the sentences with what each person is saving up for. So what do you have to do is to watch the video and complete the sentences, okay? Let's see. Here is the video.
Are you saving up for something special? What?
Definitely. I go to concerts all the time, almost every weekend, and those cost a lot of money. My favorite band is going to be in town next month, and I don't want to miss that. The tickets are extremely expensive though, so I'm saving as much as I can so I can go.
Yeah, I am. I just joined a band and the guitar I have right now is in horrible condition. I'm saving up for a new electric guitar so I can play a wider range of songs. I hope to have enough by the summer. We're going to practice every day during vacation.
Well, yes, but I don't think my parents will like it very much. I want to buy a motorbike. I've seen a second-hand one that I really like, but it's really expensive. I'm doing some work in my neighbor's garden on Saturdays, so I hope to have enough to buy it in 6 months. Of course, I still need to convince my parents.
Yes, of course. I'm saving up for college in 2 years. I also want to travel some before I start, so I'm saving for that too. I'm already looking forward to it.
Not really, but I do want to go on a trip this summer with my friend's family, and I don't think my parents will pay for it. I get money from doing chores around the house, so I'm saving some of that to help pay for it.
Are you saving up for something special? What?
Okay, class, let's see. The question was, the question was, are you saving up for something special or what? Saving up. What is saving up? Saving up is like when you need something and you don't have money, so you save up money. No, 1 sol, 2 soles, 3 soles, 20 soles. It depends. No. Now let's see. Complete the sentences with what each person is saving up for. A concert what? A concert tickets. Okay. For her what? For her class, for her family, for her birthday. Birthday possibility? Okay, birthday. Now, what? What did you see on the video? Electric? Okay, electric guitar. A second hand, if his parents agree. No, about what? Saving up for in 2 years on travel. Saving up for what? A or an with his friend's family. Now let's see those first answers. If they are okay, right. If they don't, no problem. Yes, no. Concert ticket for her is not birthday. Okay, it's not birthday. An electric guitar, perfect. What about this space? Number 3, 4, and 5. Okay, you have already listened to the video. You can play once again the video and you can complete and answer them. Okay, so this activity could be for you next Friday. No. Now there is a question. Are you saving up for something special or what? Ask and answer with your partner. No. So in this case, is that if personal, okay, if you are saving up for something special, you are earning money. That's the word. Earning money for something special. No. For example, me, I am earning money for getting a house, or I am saving up for having a house. No? What about you? Do you have the same idea or maybe different ideas? Let me know. So remember to complete this activity on Friday. Let's continue with number 3. In this case, we have Bella and Joseph discussing giving money for charity. What do they decide to do? So the first thing is to listen. No? Remember, are discussing about giving money for charity. What do they decide to do? No? Let's see.
CD 1, track 37. Listen to Bella and Joseph.
Joseph, we have to make a decision about the class cake sale next month.
We need to decide who to give the money to, right?
Yes. I was thinking of Oxfam or UNICEF. What do you think?
I think a local charity would be better.
Right. How about the animal sanctuary? I know someone who works there.
Personally, I'd rather support an organisation that helps young people.
Okay. What kind of thing do you suggest?
Well, my sister is a volunteer at a disabled teenagers club. They organise social activities and weekend trips.
Yes, that's a good idea too.
My sister says they're always looking for donations.
So is the animal sanctuary. They help animals whose owners didn't look after them.
That's a good cause too. How shall we decide then?
I think the best way is to vote in class.
Yes, I agree. Let's do it tomorrow.
Okay, so the idea is to answer this question. No? Listen to Bella and Joseph discussing giving money for charity. So in this case, Bella and Joseph have different ideas for charities. No? In the case of Bella, she wants to give money for UNICEF. In the case of Joseph, he wants to bring money or give money for a club, no? For a special club for disabled people. And what's the final decision? Hmm? They are going to bring money for all of them, for only one, for only two, or they are going to discuss this question in their class. No? You are going to answer me. Now, let's see. Here I have number 4. Complete a conversation with useful language. Here is a conversation. And what about the useful language? When I say useful language, is that it could be useful expressions in your life. How shall we decide them? How shall we decide? Mister, what is shall? Shall is like will in British English. Okay, you use shall with I or we in the first person singular or plural. Be careful. I was thinking of. We need to decide. Personally, I'd rather. I think the best way is. That's a good idea, too. What kind of thing do you suggest? Well, class, the idea is this. This is the dialogue or conversation, and you need to put one of the phrases or useful language in the correct place. Okay, for example, Joseph, we have to make a decision about the class cake sale next month. We need to decide how to give the money to, right? Yes, I was. No? What do you have to do? Listen. You're going to listen once again and complete.
CD 1, track 37. Listen to Bella and Joseph.
Joseph, we have to make a decision about the class cake sale next month.
We need to decide who to give the money to, right?
Yes. I was thinking of Oxfam or UNICEF. What do you think?
I think a local charity would be better.
Right. How about the animal sanctuary? I know someone who works there.
Personally, I'd rather support an organisation that helps young people.
Okay. What kind of thing do you suggest?
Well, my sister is a volunteer at a disabled teenagers club. They organise social activities and weekend trips.
Yes, that's a good idea too.
My sister says they're always looking for donations.
So is the animal sanctuary. They help animals whose owners didn't look after them.
That's a good cause too. How shall we decide then?
I think the best way is to vote in class.
Yes, I agree. Let's do it tomorrow.
Okay, so this is the conversation, and you have to put the correct phrase in the correct place. No? Joseph, we have to make a decision about the class cake sale next month. We need to decide who to give the money to, right? Yes, I was thinking of Oxfam or UNICEF. What do you think? I think a local charity or charity would be better. Right, how about the animal sanctuary? I know someone who works there. Personally, hmm, support an organization that helps young people. Okay, do you suggest? No? Let's see. Here I have two examples. No? For one and the example. One, two, three. Well, the answer was right, no? But what about the others? So you have the audio once again, and you can listen to the audio and complete this part. No, would it be okay if you do it? No, and you are ready for the class. So do it, class. No, the idea was to complete. No, I helped you with one, and the example are two. You need to complete. No, well, let's see. You are going to listen after this. After you complete this activity, you are going to listen, and you are going to check your answers. If there is any mistake, we correct mistakes. Now, work with a partner. Number 6. Practice the conversation in exercise 4. So, what's the idea? The idea in this case is to practice this conversation, no? And get ready because you are going to tell me then, and I need to check your fluency. Okay, how good at you are English. Let's continue with number 7. Which of the phrases in exercise 4 is giving an opinion? Okay, listen. Exercise 4. This is exercise 4. Which of the phrases, listen, is for giving opinion? No? There is another suggesting something. Which of these phrases are suggesting something? Or the last one, asking for the other person's opinion. Which of those phrases are for this activity? No? Asking for other person's opinion. So the idea is to read, to check, and complete. Please do it. If you do it, it will be better for you. Okay? Now, let's see. Number 8. Work with a partner. Plan your own conversation. Use ideas below. And exercise 4 to help you. Here, I have two alternative decisions to be made. How to raise money for the class end of year trip. No? That one that you call viaje de promo, no? How to raise money, how to get money, how to increase money for the class end of year. Or possibilities. A sponsored cycle ride, silent lottery, raffles on rifas, okay? Tickets with a price. Selling food at school break time. A collection in the town square. So the idea is to plan a conversation like this. Okay, you can use this model with one of those topics. No, could be a decision to be made or possibility. So we are going to check these activities in your class. We are now on page 39. Listen, on page 39, it's about reading activity, writing activity. Reading and writing. No? Look at the title and read the essay. Does the writer agree or disagree? So the first thing is to read this activity and tell the class if the author or writer is agree or not. The school living age should be 18. Do you agree? Whereas my grandparents left school 14. Nowadays the median age in many countries is 16 and increasingly 18. However, I believe it might not be the best idea to make everyone stay at school until they are 18. Firstly, although those students who want to go to university will stay at school until they are 18. Not everyone enjoys studying. There are other options for people that aren't going to go to university, and many young people would rather look for work, do a training course, or get work experience where they can learn special skills which will help them to find a job. In addition, There is a problem that someone over 16 who don't want to stay on at school will behave badly, and as a result will create problems for everyone else in their class. In conclusion, I'm against it, at least until schools can provide a wider range of training, course, and work experience. Well, the idea is the title and of the essay that the author agree or disagree. The school living age should be 18. Do you agree? And what is your opinion? Are you agree? If that is yes, you are going to write on the chat. If that is not, also on the chat. Okay? Well, here we have once again the activities essay again and identify which paragraph each of that point is in it. An argument in favor of your opinion. So in what part? The situation now and in the past. No, in what paragraph? A personal opinion, 2 paragraphs. A summary of the arguments. Another argument to support your opinion. So here I have some leaking phrases. No, in those leaking phrases are that like connectors that follow ideas. For example, we use leaking words and phrases to show contrast, no? To show contrast, maybe something positive or something negative. Whereas my grandparents left school at, or to show the order of arguments. Firstly, no. Firstly is from first, no, to show an order in the arguments. Thirdly, although those students who, and you continue the story. No? Well, class, we are going to continue this activity. There is no problem. Here is another activity about some phrases with the vocabulary. No? However, firstly, in conclusion, in addition, whereas, and although. Well, in this case, you can search on the internet on your dictionary about possible meanings. And on Friday, we can do it and you can solve all the sentences. Okay? Well, class, thank you very much. It's been a pleasure to work with you. See you Friday, and remember, stay home, don't go out. Peace. Bye bye.